Marche, and I'm going to show you a Wakanda themed hair and makeup look. Wakanda Forever is coming out, and what better way to celebrate this epic movie than with a beauty look? Wakanda Forever. When I think of the women of Wakanda, I feel empowered, and I want to show that in my hair and my makeup. I have boho knotless braids right now, but you can totally achieve this look even if you don't. When you have protective styles, this is a great time to give your scalp a little TLC. I like to use a hair oil that promotes longer, thicker, and stronger hair. Think of a protective style like your hair is on chill mode, and this is a great opportunity to give it a little extra boost for when you take the protective style out. Before I go into the style, I'm going to apply oil to my scalp and massage it in. Not only is a protective style time to focus on your scalp, but don't forget about the rest of your hair. Once you oil your scalp, drag it down the shaft of your braid to give all of your strands some love. Now let's get into this Wakanda look. First, you're going to separate about 5 braids on the left side of your head because that's going to be our braid crown. Once you have your 5 braids, you're going to braid them together. Don't worry about the ends. We're going to tuck that into a bun right now. After you have your braid, grab all the hair from about the front of your ear across and put a bun at the top of your head. Don't forget to leave out 2 braids on the side of your temples for a little extra pizzazz. To achieve a bun with braids, I like to twist the braids together in unison clockwise while going in a circular motion, and it eventually creates a bun. You can also do this method even if you don't have braids and your hair is long enough. Taking our braid, you're going to drape it across your forehead, situate it how you like, and then wrap it into the bun. Now, with the rest of your hair, split it down the middle and bring it to the front. You're going to create a bubble braid. You're going to add 3 hair ties, symmetrical on both sides, down the length of your braids. Occasionally stop and make sure that your hair ties are the same spot on both sides. Now that you have your bubble braids, puff out the braids in between each hair tie to give the bubble effect. I almost feel Wakanda Warrior ready, but I know what's gonna take it to the next level. Hair accessories. I know you see that took it to the next level. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm now gonna take some gold string and tie it around my bun. And I know you might be thinking, what else? I'm gonna add hair clips to our braid crown. Now that we've added hair accessories to our crown, we're gonna add hair clips to our bubble braids. I think we are very close to being done. But we're going to tie in the gold ribbon from our bun, and we're going to tie that onto the bottom of our bubble braid. Our Wakanda inspired look is almost finished. No look is complete without laying your edges. Taking Pattern Beauty's edge control, we're going to apply some to our edges and create 2 small swoops using an edge control brush. Now we're Wakanda ready. When I think of the women of Wakanda, I think bold and fearless, and that's exactly what our makeup look is gonna give. Starting with a primer, I like primers that give my makeup something to grip to, so we're gonna use the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. By using a gripping primer, your makeup look can withstand anything. Now, to give us a glowy base, we're gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. A Wakanda look deserves a flawless base. So sticking with the Charlotte Tilbury family, we're going to use the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Using about 3 pumps for our entire face, we're using a foundation brush and stippling that in. Now, I'm a full coverage girl, even as a Wakanda warrior. So taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, I'm going to apply that under my eye. I'm also going to apply a little bit on my eyelid, chin, and a little bit on my forehead. To give our under eye a little more brightness, we're going to go in with a lighter shade of the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and just add 2 dabs to each side, blending that in with a stippling brush. Before we set, we're making sure we have no creases because nobody wants to set a creasy under eye. Taking translucent powder on a triangle sponge, I'm going to press that into my under eye and my eyelid. Taking a face powder, you're going to dust away any excess translucent powder and set the rest of your face. This look takes bold energy as well because we're going in with liners and black shadows after our base is done. So be brave, I believe in you. Now it's time to bring life back into our base. Using the Juvia's Place Bronze Duo, we're gonna bronze the perimeter of our face. Adding bronzer to our forehead, our cheeks, and our nose using small circular motions, we're bringing warmth back into our face. Now it's time for my favorite part. Blush has my heart. And I feel like warriors need blush. Going into the Juvia's Place Blushed Duo, we're gonna add blush, but not too much. You can also add a little on your nose, just for fun. We've added a lot of powders. Take your favorite setting spray at this point and spray your face down before we move to eyes. Spraying your face through the layers of your makeup process ensures that your makeup stays, and I'm all about staying power. Now it's the fun part. We're taking Juvia's PlaceWarrior 2 palette, and we're gonna add a little dimension to the crease of our eye. Now it's to the part where we're gonna need our bravery. Eyeliner. Starting on the inner corner of your eye, going upward and over, and stopping right at where your pupil is. Draw a line straight down. Skip over your pupil and draw another line. And continue the wing, flicking it up and coloring it in. Make sure you look forward with your eyes open to see how much of your lid is visible. You may also have to pull your lid taut so that the liner doesn't skip. Using a white liner in the bottom of a makeup brush, create dots above your eyebrow. We're almost there. Taking our NYX Epic liner, we're gonna draw a few lines on our forehead and one line down our nose. We're taking the black shadow in the Juvia's PlaceWarrior 2 palette, and we're gonna smoke out our lower lash line. And to diffuse those edges of the black, we're gonna take that slate color in the upper right-hand corner of the same palette. A bold warrior look deserves bold lashes. We're gonna take the Kiss Lash Couture in Avant Garde and pop those on. Now the lashes are on, we're gonna add mascara. It's amazing what mascara can do for the eyes. Now it's time for lips. I'm gonna line my lips with a deep brown liner and then a medium brown liner. Like that. Now we're gonna take Juvia's Place liquid lipstick in Red Velvet and fill it in a little bit. Boom. If that's not a Wakanda lip, I don't know what is. And y'all gotta be like, she's done. She has to be done. I'm not done yet. I just feel like it's so top heavy, so I'm gonna add something to the bottom. I'm gonna draw a line on my chin using my metallic liner. Wakanda Forever! This is the finished look. This screams Wakanda. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and follow Lavelle, and I'll see you next time.